Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. This is a pre-recording of the contents no of what will be expected no of your final product sa inyuhang tour itinerary for 3 days, 2 nights. So this is actually the demo that I just said a while ago, but I wasn't able to show you due to poor internet connectivity. So mo ni siya no ang parts mo ni siyang expected jud nga content nga ako ang gusto makita sa inyong itinerary. So, di ba kanina we fill out in the first part of Travify, we filled out the personal information na to as a travel specialist. So, as you can see in the header, you will see my name. Di siya na ako na pangalan for my name. Travel specialist, then the name of the company, and then the logo of the tour and travel company. Here you can find your email and the phone number of the travel specialist. This is the title. This is this is the title demo or no weekend in New York, not demo. Ay mo pubutog demo. And then the price is located here below the title, which is $1,131 US per person. Okay? So actually na fill out naman na siya kanina no katong sa weekend in Japan. Okay? So na diri ang description guys no or katong notes. Wala man ta nakabutang og notes kay medyo naglisod ta. So New York City or the Big Apple has it all. From world-class museums and Broadway, Central Park, and food from across the globe, nothing is more exciting than a weekend in New York City. So, here are the corresponding documents, no, and information for the weekend trip in New York. Okay? So, kani siya class, mo ni siya katong wala na fill out kanina no kay medyo gabisyo siya. So, dapat mabutang mo og kanang murag introduction. We weren't able to do that in Japan kay murag medyo may problem sa notes part, but you can do that one sa inyong own itinerary once ka mo na mohimo. Okay? And then ang first part is ang arrival in New York. So 10:30 ang arrival Eastern Time ang ilang gibasihan, not Philippine Standard not Pacific Standard Time. Then arrive in New York like what we fill out kanina no sa katong sa Japan. You have the confirmation number, Delta Airlines ang nga website niya gibook no, and then you have the airline Delta Airlines, gate F14, terminal F, flight number DL501. Price of flight is $432.18 US. And ma-arrive siya sa John F. Kennedy International Airport. So na ay link na kabutang, and if we click this link, you will see the link of the website. You can view the airport on Foursquare, contact details, and even ang iyahang Google Map location. That's why it's very important that we include a link which provides, details kung asa nakalocate ang airport. Then we have transportation to New York City. So, just like what we did, not to sa Mercedes-Benz, no? You are going to place the details. So, in this case, wala siya nagbutang og price. Okay? Either ang turista ang maoy mo bayad sa car rental separately from the tour package. Okay? So, this is the confirmation number. Book through Black Car New York nga website or car rental company. And then, ang carrier is Black Car New York. Please provide also additional details like, again, you will be picked up at the airport by our prepared shuttle service and taken to your hotel. Relax in a luxury car service during your approximately 25-minute drive to your hotel. This is not copy and pasted from the internet, ha? Since butang man jud ka dira og notes and background, you have to write it yourself. This is the link of the website of the car rental company and a sample voucher. So a sample voucher looks like this one. Wait, I'll get that for a while. Okay. Usually travel vouchers are also provided. So there are two reasons why we provide why walay price, no rather walay price ang event. One is either the guest has to pay the fee separately from the tour package, or naanay naka-prepare nga voucher and nabayaran na siya in advance by the tour and travel agency. This is a sample of the voucher. We can actually download this one and use it or attach this to our own tour and travel company. And then, di ba, gikan man mo sa airport, then gisugat mo, then naabot mo sa hotel. So, ibutang pa nimo ang time kung when mo naabot sa hotel. Arrival time. Okay, estimated arrival time, 12 noon. So, medyo layo siya, 25 minutes man. So, hotel reservations ang gibutang. And then we have the confirmation number, booked through Hilton. Hilton nga hotel, and then the price is $243 US. You can search this one through online. I-google ninyo ang Hilton Hotel in New York City or Midtown Manhattan, and then just like what we did sa airport atong sa Japan, you can copy the details of the hotel here as well as their amenities. Then you try to search for real photos of Hilton Hotel in Manhattan, okay? Dapat dili lang katong atong gibuhat, diba, kay nag-search naman ta online, kapataka ra ta og click ato, no? Dapat real photos should of the actual Hilton Hotel. So if you decide that if you're going to book through like Four Seasons or Marriott, no, dapat real photos of Marriott Hotel or Four Seasons Hotel inyong ibutang diri, inyong i-attach. Then you have the link of the hotel. It could be their website. Then you also provide here, as sila malocate through Google Maps, everything is provided through Google, so you have to search it and then attach the links under attachments. And this is the luxury junior suite. Ma'am, where man ako ni siya ibutang? You can add photos and then you put a description about the luxury junior suite, where will we get the details of the hotel room. You go to the website of Hilton Hotel, or for example, if your hotel is Marriott or Four Seasons, you go to their website, you search for luxury junior suite or unsang kind of room, like for example deluxe room, and then nana sila yung mga description ana. Imo nang i-copy paste then i-place nimo diri. And you have ChatGPT, so you have the freedom to use ChatGPT. AI is our friend. But you have to make sure that ikaw dyan mo himo ani tanan. Okay? Ay lang, tumutumo lang ha, kay ang uban na ba, just a precaution, when you use ChatGPT, sometimes you do not read. You just copy everything without even reading it, or even, proofreading, kung na ba yung mga errors dira, ang kinahanglan nimo i-revise, gusto nyo paste. So, muna, na pa yung mga questionable contents po yung ibutang. So, please also be mindful of what you place in your descriptions, kay sometimes dili po kay siya appropriate or suitable sa inyo nga destination. Kay labi nang if we are too lazy, I do not like lazy students nga mag-copy paste lang and not reading what they have pasted, no? So please read everything first before placing it in your itinerary. Let us try to think that the itinerary that you will be making will be applied in real life. Okay. So followed by, di ba, naka-check-in na si guest, ay na pa sa museum tour. So na tayo museum tour diri, guys. Same thing ra pang gibuhat. We attach the photo, and then we also what do you call this one? Provide description, price. We also provide the name, no, of the activity, so museum tour, then link, and then pwede po ka mag city tour. Provide siya po as usual. We provide the description, links of the different places that we are going to visit. All these links are located in either Google Maps, no, ato ta sa share. Copy na to ang link, i-paste ato tanan dire so that the guest, no, or the tourist can click on the link and know where to go, no, because it will be shown through Google Map. Also place the time. You have to place the time here. And then by 7 p.m., no, kato yung estimate nga alas 3 siya mulaag, 3 p.m. So, mahuman siya laag sa tibuok syudad, no, within Manhattan, within New York City. So, by 7 p.m., wait lang for a while. Okay, so, for example, no, estimate naman nimo nga 3 p.m. siya maglaglaag niya. By 7, human lang siya laag dito sa syudad, tibok Manhattan. Okay, so, kundi ta sa 7 p.m. Ato lang ibutang ha no nga naa siya dinner included. Na siya no. Na siya dinner included sa ang itinerary. So for example, if na-appeal na siya sa tour package nga na ay meals, di ba? We did mention sa klase no, just a while ago that meals depend on the itinerary if it's included or not. If it's included in the itinerary, you have to place all of the details there. So for example, it's a steak dinner at Peter Luger na steakhouse. Dili ni tao si Peter Luger ha. Oh, it's the name of the steakhouse, no? And then you place the details or just a small introduction lang, and then reserve under. Like take for example, if there are 3 of you or 4 of you who are traveling to New York, you can place there the name of the person nga under what reservation. Like for example, 5 mo kabuok niya si John Smith kauban po ninyo. Oh, so butang yung pangalan dira. And then as usual, the link of the steakhouse. And then 9 p.m. no, syempre, it's New York, no? It is actually not a requirement, but it's advisable to go to a Broadway show, no? Mo man siya na dira man siya na ang sentro jud sa Broadway, New York City. So you place here that date. Dili na ni siya given na ikaw mo butang sa date and no, sorry, sa time like 9 p.m. First about butang nga 7 to 8 sila nagkaon, no? Or more than an hour. After dinner, watch like Broadway show. Hamilton pa dyan, no? Is this Hamilton? Yes, Hamilton. So, butang ka dire o introduction. You can get this one from the internet. No, Google lang nimo siya. And then, ikaw na bahala. Like, for example, if you don't like Hamilton nga Broadway show, o dili necessarily Broadway ha, pwede man like destination Philippines, di unsa man ang after dinner activities nila. Kung sa Siargao, di mag-clubbing, o ikaw na ibutang dira. Pero dili kay since this is New York man ang destination. So after natas lang Broadway show Hamilton or Phantom of the Opera, Cats, Wicked, no? Daghan mga klase ng mga Broadway shows na nakabutang. And then muna na siya. That's the end of it, no? For the day 1. For day 2, this is the second day. So, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, museum tour. This is the price included and then the reservation number. So, sa food, wala nakabutang actually, no? Kay, again, either i-book raman na siya, no? I-book raman under one name for the reservations, but magdepende man sa budget ni tourist kung sa iyang kauna, no? Not unless if it's covered by in your tour package, no? So dili siya kabuot kung unsa nga food imong kwaon kay naka-package siya daan. Pero usually if it's a steakhouse, depende na sa budget ni tourist. Okay, this one. So as usual, what we did for day 1 nga mag-add tag mga details, the same ra itong buhaton sa day 2. So, ang iyang mga activities is mag-museum tour siya. Then, by lunchtime, mo eat sila sa Burger Shack. And then, in the afternoon, 2 p.m., so na ay tour guide, kuan sila. Central Park, ito na, I forgot the name kanina kay. Wala, mental block lang ko, no? Central Park. So, laag sila sa Central Park. Yung mga different universities and museums all around New York. Then, last is the Boat Basin Cafe. Dinner, so, pizza. Then and then that's it, no? Mag-pizza ra sila during dinner time. Wala lang yung pictures, no? But daw butangan na siya pictures. On the third day, that's departure. Muna siya, no? This is the third day. Day 1 is arrive in New York. Day 2 is explore and tours. Day 3 is the departure. So 3 days, 2 nights raman siya. So 10:15 a.m. departure niya sa airport. So syempre, dili man mag-una ang airport, no? Mag-una ang rental car. Kay sugaton siya sa hotel, ihatod siya sa airport. And then, ang departure time niya is 11 a.m. Return flight. So, dito siya agi sa LaGuardia Airport. Same airlines, Delta Airlines. Okay, that is basically the content of a tour itinerary for 3 days, 2 nights. Arrival to departure.